Are your psychrometric calculations wasting HVAC energy? Imagine your HVAC system running smoothly, keeping your space comfortable without wasting a single watt. Now, think about how precise calculations of air properties play a role in that. Psychrometrics is all about understanding the thermodynamic properties of air and water vapor mixtures. These properties include temperature, humidity, enthalpy, and volume, which directly influence heating, cooling, humidification, and dehumidification processes. When engineers use psychrometric data correctly, they can accurately determine how much heating or cooling a space needs. This helps size equipment properly and set airflow rates that match the actual load. Proper calculations mean the system works efficiently, saving energy and reducing costs. But if these calculations are off, energy can be wasted in several ways. For example, if the load estimation is wrong because of errors in plotting or interpreting psychrometric charts, the HVAC system might be oversized. Oversized systems turn on and off frequently, which wastes energy and wears out equipment faster. On the other hand, if the system is undersized, it struggles to keep up, running longer and consuming more power. Both situations lead to unnecessary energy use and higher bills. Another common issue is incorrect airflow sizing. Psychrometrics help translate thermal loads into supply airflow rates. Errors here can cause fans to work harder than needed or lead to poor air distribution. This not only wastes energy but also affects comfort. Ignoring humidity effects is another problem. Psychrometrics help distinguish between sensible heat, which affects dry temperature, and latent heat, which involves moisture. If humidity is not properly managed, systems may overcool or under-dehumidify, leading to discomfort and extra energy use. Control strategies also depend on accurate psychrometric calculations. These charts guide decisions like when to use economizers or humidify the air. If calculations are inaccurate, control systems may operate inefficiently, increasing energy consumption. Climate variability is another factor. Relying on outdated or generic climate data can cause systems to run inefficiently because outdoor conditions are not accurately reflected. Regular updates and precise measurements of outdoor temperature and humidity are essential. Using digital tools and software that incorporate psychrometric data can improve accuracy and speed up calculations. Regular calibration of sensors and updating design parameters based on real-time conditions help keep systems running efficiently. Remember, psychrometric calculations are not inherently wasteful. It is how they are used that makes the difference. When done correctly, they enable engineers to design and operate HVAC systems that maintain comfort while using the least energy possible. Mastering psychrometrics is a key part of making HVAC systems more sustainable and cost-effective.